Now we need to think differently. If we don't think differently, the investors are going to, in fact, think differently. That instead of having everything hyperscalar, that is, you keep everything in one data center. Now, see, there is a basic flaw in this data center. Data centers are not strategic assets. We need to declare them as strategic assets. So they come under international law. They will have some immunity against missile launches. See, data centers were never built. They are built for optimization. They were never built for war resilience. So hence, now the tier 4 data centers, which are there, supposedly highly secure data centers, probably now everybody would start thinking from even having drone resilience, like it may have some anti-drone mechanisms in place. So now data centers have to be thought completely differently, because if data centers are not working, then as you rightly saw, that banking stops. In a country like India, UPI may stop, then whole financial system comes down. And first point, policy wise, the country and the organizations have to think is decentralize the data. Now it is highly centralized, so we need to move on to decentralization of data. We need to have some on-premise kind of data. So if something goes wrong, then this investors and the CISOs and the IT heads need to ask one simple question: if my data center is not available, hyperscaler data center is not available, and can I function for next 5 days? So if they are not able to function for 5 days without data center, it could be any reason. It could be because of politics, it could be because of war, it could be because of power down. Then they need to plan differently and plan separately to build new data center centric policies.